it seems the tragedy is about to continue. So grab your cocktails, grab your cocks, grab your tails, and find the seat.
Already laying out her corpse.
Woman, did you hear that shout that came heavy through those doors? The house hasn't opened its gates to me. As it should for a traveler, it hasn't greeted me.